Hi Dolly friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have 3 new dolls to open before Christmas. We have, this one is from New York Doll. I've never heard of them before, but that's supposedly the doll we're going to get. And then we have 2 from Ina Doll. So we are going to go ahead and open up these dolls to see exactly what we have inside. So we will start with this little girl right here. It says 22-inch reborn baby doll. Let's go take a look and see what we have in here. Oh, it opens this way. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and open up the box, and I will let you get a peek inside. This is our little girl. So she actually looks exactly like the doll on the outside of the box, which is cool. But let's go ahead and we will take her out. She comes with a bottle, a magnetic pacifier, and a blanket, and we'll take that out in a minute. She has our certificate of adoption. And here is our baby. Oh, she's cute. And she was actually very affordable on Amazon. I can't remember the exact price of her, but I want to say she was around $39.99, which is really good. I mean, she's not the most realistic, but she's still really cute. And I think this doll would be great for both kids and adults. But she has, her hair is actually a wig, so it's not rooted, but it's very soft. Very nice. And she's got a pretty little face. She's got nice eyelashes. She's got blushing details. And her body actually has a little bit of weight in it. I could feel it, especially in the tushy area, that she does have some weight in her. But we will check her weight at the end of the video. And we will open up her bag of accessories to get a better look at them, to see exactly what she has in here. So it comes all in this clear plastic bag that I just dropped on the floor. Pardon me, I'm like the most clumsiest person in the world. So we get this pink blanket. It doesn't have sparkles in it. That's just my Christmas tree going through it. But here is her bottle. It's really cute. It's got like little houses on it and flowers. Very cute. And her magnetic pacifier. So we'll go ahead and we will try her out with that. And we will get on to baby number 2. Okay, so baby number 2 is from Ina Doll. So is baby number 3. They're from the same company. And it's also quite big. So we will see who we got. It looks like a little girl in there. She looks like she might be dressed for Christmas. So let's go ahead. We will take out the bag and we will get a look at her. See what she is like. And her price is very affordable as well. So I'm kind of anxious to see how the quality is going to be. And I will put their links in the video description below if you are interested in getting your own. But here's her bottle. And let's see what we got in here. I don't see a birth certificate. I guess they don't come with a birth certificate. I could have sworn unless she did, but she comes with a little tag like on her wrist. But this is our little girl. Oh, she's cute. So again, she's not like the most realistic looking doll, but I would say she's good for the price that you pay for her. Her binky just fell down. Wow, her hair is very pretty. She's got very long, beautiful hair. And it's a wig. Yeah, so her hair is a wig, but it's very super long. She's got a really chunky body. I can feel her. She's like a chunky little girl. And she's wearing a diaper. And she's got these cute little shoes on. Her shoes are absolutely adorable. She's got little socks. And her limbs, they're 3/4. So she's got 3/4 legs and 3/4 arms. And you could move her and pose her. So very, very cute. And we'll try her binky on her. But I would say this doll would probably be more suitable for a child. It'd be a great child's doll. But I love her dress. Her dress is very Christmassy and very beautiful. She's dressed for the holiday season. I'll let you get a good look at her. She is really cute. So we will get to doll number 3, and I think this one is a boy. So This will be her brother, I guess. So it is from the same company, Ina Doll. And our baby comes in a bag. Oh, okay, maybe there was a birth certificate in the other one. I just didn't see it. So it's right here. It's a blue one. So I just didn't see it in the other box. Maybe it was there, maybe it wasn't. But I'll put it in the video description if I do find it. Here's the bottle. This one has a little bird on it. It's really cute. And, oh, he comes with a blanket. This little boy. So it's like a little round blanket. Just like a basic thing. And here is our little guy. Oh, he's cute. He's chunky too. So again, he's not the most realistic either, but he does have blushing. He's really adorable. He's got a chunky little face. And we will get this off of his head so you can get a better look at him. His hair is also a wig. It is not rooted. But he's got cute little red cheeks. He's got blushing on his arms. And his limbs are also 3/4, in case you're wondering. And he is posable. You could pose his arms and his legs. And he does have a little bit of weight in his body. I can feel that. Let me put his hat back on his head. And we will get his binky out so we could try that on him. It was actually attached to his head in the hairnet. But here we go. That is him. So let's go and check these babies' weights to see how much they weigh. And yes, the girl does come with a birth certificate too. It was stuck to the side of the box. Alright, so first up we have the cute little girl in pink. We're going to check her weight. She weighs 1 pound 14 ounces. And next up we have the little girl in the red Christmas dress. We're going to check her weight. She weighs 2 pounds even. So these dolls do have some weight in their body, which is good. And last we have little boy Blue. We're going to check his weight. He is 1 pound 14 ounces. Okay, so here we have all 3 of our babies. You tell me which one you love the most. I think I like girl number 1 the most. I think she's the cutest. But you tell me which one you like. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.